In this example problem, we have a heat engine that takes in, so anytime we see the word takes in, that is going to be QH, because in is always hot. And then it expels a certain amount of energy. So anytime you see the word expels, you should think QC, because you always expel or remove the energy into the cold source. We want to know what the work done by the engine is and what is the efficiency of the engine. So I'm going to use my relationship that the subtraction of the two heats is going to give you the work the engine can do. So we're going to take our 3,000 minus our 1,000 to get 2,000 joules. And then I'm going to plug into the efficiency equation. So I'm going to take the work the engine does, which was 2,000 joules we got from part A, and divided by the energy that comes in, or QH, which was 3,000 joules, which gives us an efficiency of 66, or 0.66, or 66%, which is a pretty darn good engine and probably pretty impossible.